Hello and welcome to the third part of this How to Create the Perfect Autumn Portrait video tutorial. In the last part we showed you how to place in the new background, and now we're going to progress on and make a few colour alterations and also start to apply the falling leaves. So the first thing we want to do is just to adjust the colour of those tree trunks, and we can do that just by using a hue saturation adjustment layer. So the first thing we want to do is just to make a selection of our original levels layer mask. So if we just hold down Control or Apple, click onto that levels adjustment layer, and what that's done is just to select all of the tree trunk areas. And before we start, we just want to extract the model from the picture itself. So using the lasso tool, making sure that we've got subtract from selection selected, we can now just very quickly go in and just draw around the model. Obviously take a little bit of time doing this so that you get a good result. Here I'm just making a very quick selection. And you can move around the image as always just by holding down your spacebar. And once you've completed your selection, you'll see a little circle appear on the cursor, which means that it's met the start point. Click and that'll complete the selection. So there we've made our selection of just the tree trunks, and we can see that there. And what we want to do is just to make a new hue saturation adjustment layer. So if we go up to our adjustment layers, choose hue saturation, and just click OK first of all, and we can now see that we've got our layer mask attached to our hue saturation layer. And this time what we've done is we've just got the layer mask, so when we make any adjustments to this, it'll only affect the tree trunk areas and not the model or the background itself. So I just double click that again to reopen, and what we want to do is turn this green into a more orange colour. So if I go to Edit and Reds, and what I want to do is just to adjust firstly the hue, just to change that green, and we can just see that down in the bottom left hand corner starting to go to orange. And I'm just going to boost the saturation just slightly. So for the reds I've adjusted the hue to +24 and saturation to +17. And what I want to do is just flick down each of these, just making adjustments and seeing how those adjustments and how those colour channels are affecting the image. So here I've gone to yellows, and we can see a lot of the green at the top of the tree trunk has started to change as well. I'm just taking that down to about -30, and we're starting to get a nice orangey look going on there. But what I'm going to do here is just also boost the saturation just slightly. What I want to do is just to go through each of these channels and make those adjustments until we've got a nice reds going on rather than the greens that we had previously. So there we go. I've just finished editing the green channel, and we've now changed the colours from the green to the nice orangey autumn colours. If I just click the preview on and off, and we can see the difference that's made, and it's made it look a lot more autumnal. So we can just click OK to apply that colour change to the trunks. So I'll leave you to do that, and in the final part we'll just add the leaves to the picture and apply a bit of motion blur just to give the impression that they're falling from the sky.